Happy Monday, everyone. I wanted to pop in here and just show you very quickly what my 22 card workshop with the Wildflower Birthday Suite. And this is part of our Birthday Celebration Palooza that is happening the second week of February. And if you've ever participated in any of our events, you know how jam-packed they are. It's 2 days worth of amazing creative content. I teach card making. Both Dana and Tina teach scrapbooking. Tina takes the designer series paper, the stickers, and the coordinating two-tone cardstock and creates some gorgeous must-have 4 double-page scrapbook layouts. And then Dana takes the workshop and reimagines it for way more pictures than you could ever imagine that you could get onto a scrapbook layout. And those are 3 double-page layouts. So I can't wait to share with you their projects. But today I am actually sharing with you my card workshop, and we're going to go backwards. And you're going to make 2 each of every single card that you see here. And oh my goodness, I was so pleasantly pleased how this turned out. It really blew my mind how beautiful, simple, and yet elegant these cards are. So this is card number 11. Some of them you'll notice are finished on the inside. Some of them are not, but you can actually finish them all on the inside. It's totally up to you. So that's card 11. This is card 10. Absolutely loved using that really fun Starstruck embossing folder that's part of the celebration sale right now, going on through the end of February. Such a beautiful embossing folder. And again, like I said, some of these are finished and some of them are not. Look at how beautiful this one is with just that gorgeous ephemera and the gold foiling on this. It's absolutely stunning, and it just makes such a precious card. And then I loved the cut apart pieces that are featured in this DSP. Unlike anything that I've ever seen, I think it's just a beautiful way to, again, create some really beautiful, simple, elegant looking cards that look like you spent a lot of time, but you didn't. And look at how fun those party dots are. They are the perfect complement to this designer series paper. And then the same with these other ephemera pieces. I just absolutely love how they match. Again, just another simple, elegant design. Look at how beautiful that cake is with that gold foiling, and then that DSP that also has that beautiful gold foiling. It just catches your eye whenever the light hits it. And this was super duper fun. It's just taking one of the cut apart pieces and turning it into this accordion fold tag. Perfect for a gift card enclosure or just hiding another message to your recipient. And then look at how fun that is to just finish it with some extra pieces left over. This one I was inspired by another demonstrator, and she did such an amazing job clustering these all together. Absolutely loved what she did there. And I believe she was the same person that I scrap lifted this idea with, just layering the cut apart pieces on with some white, basic white cardstock, and then accenting with those beautiful ephemera pieces. And then can you see how the base of the card is also embossed? Super duper fun. And then here is card number 1. It's the last card of 11. And again, just really the simplicity of this is so beautiful. And then I loved using white embossing powder to stamp and emboss the sentiment. And again, it just really elevates the card by showing what you can do with embossing powder. So anyway, that is it. I hope you guys will join us, and I look forward to kicking this off in a couple of weeks and seeing what else you guys do with these beautiful, beautiful collection from the Wildflower Birthday. Thanks so much for joining me.